Hammer Thor originally started out as an engineer's hammer, Estwing 4-pound engineer's hammer. That originally had a fiberglass handle that was pretty much cracked right about here, and the internal fiberglass was cracked, so the handle needed to be replaced. You can probably see a lot of the dings and dents. This was a well-used hammer. I'm sure I was walking by a construction site on my way into work and found this hammer laying on the ground and decided, hey, look, free hammer. And handle's cracked, they're broken, and the head was all damaged and marred up. I said, but I'll take it off the street. So this has been sitting in my shop for 4 or 5 years, and so sit back, enjoy, watch how I restore this hammer. And as I call it, the Hammer of Thor. As always, like and subscribe. This is what the head looked like before I got started.
Well, the story of my life is I got bad luck. My Johnny Cash t-shirt says I don't give a fuck.
Here, I use soap and water to clean the dirt and the grime off the head of the hammer.
Oh yeah, I'm a social distortion guy. Oh yeah, I'm a social distortion guy.
Using the wire wheel to remove any rust. Post wire wheel evaluation. I use citrus strip to remove the factory paint. I started with my belt sander to knock down the heavy scratches. I started with 120 grit, moved on to 220.
Oh yeah, I'm a social distortion guy. I got a hot rod rigging, parked in the street. I got motorcycle boots up on my feet.
I moved on to hand sanding to get in the small spaces, nooks, and crannies. I went from 120 grit, 180 grit, 220 grit, 400 grit sandpaper. I bought a replacement handle from the Ace Hardware store down the street. I pre-sanded the handle before I stained. I used 2 coats of Jacob Bean color Minwax stain. I finished off with 2 coats of shellac. I had to reshape the handle to fit the head.
Well, the story of my life is I got bad luck. My Johnny Cash t-shirt.
Here I put the head onto the handle.
I've been down my arm. You look at me wrong, I'll cause you harm. Oh yeah, I'm a social distortion guy. Oh yeah, I'm a social.
I now have a new buffing wheel. Thank you, Texas Toast Custom Guitar. Unfortunately, I forgot to film when I was buffing with my new wheel. I finished the whole process off with some Johnson paste wax. And now, everybody's favorite part, the before and the after. Please like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment below.